Ladies and gentlemen, the Radio Royals. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I think you can well imagine, many of you, in fact, experience the amount of work that goes into preparation of field show every year. And these young people and our staff have just worked tremendously hard to bring the show to this point, which we're indeed very proud of. It also takes... It also takes a very dedicated and hard-working group of parent volunteers. Not only at the board level, but specific to the field show, working on some of the elaborate costuming and equipment and props, not the least of which is our masterpiece, the Sultan's Tent. So a big thank you to all the parents who had a huge role in the production.